Hello math teachers. I'm going to show you how to create your roster for ALEKS. You want to go into TAC and select the classroom that you want to get your list from and go to your settings wheel and you want to hide certain columns. We only need the student's name, their ID, and their birth date. So take out alerts, course, grade, gender, and homeroom and click OK. Then you can save this settings so you don't have to do it for the other classes. Then you want to go ahead and highlight the students' names, birth date, and student ID. Right click, copy, open up an Excel spreadsheet, go to the first cell, right click and choose paste special, choose Unicode text and OK. You can open up or widen the cell so that you can see everything. Since ALEKS requires the names to be separated by last name, first name, you want to highlight columns B and C, right click and choose Insert. Then you're going to highlight column A and go to Data and choose Text to Column. Choose Next, select comma and Next, and you want to give the spreadsheet where you want to separate the names. So you're going to minimize this window and then highlight columns B and C where the names are going to go. Then maximize the cell again, or the window, and click Finish. And you've separated the names. Now for the birthday column, you want their birthdays to be in the 2 digits, 4 digits. So you're going to select column E. You're going to right click and choose Format Cells. You're going to choose Custom. And in Custom, you're going to type in MMDDYYYY and click OK, and it'll take out the slashes and add the zeros where need be. Once you do that, you can create that for each class, so just add a new sheet and repeat the process for each class. Okay, now you're going to go to ALEKS and log in, and your screen may look a little bit different, but you're going to go to New Class or hover over the tab that's right here and choose New Class. You're going to create a new class. You want to select which course you want your class to have. So I'm choosing course 3 for 8th grade. You can choose either 8th grade or middle school. Enter the class name, start date, and the end date. I'm just using the end of the school year. And for the subscription length, you want to choose the 12K Pilot 1 month. That's where the additional subscriptions are added. And click Create Class. Once you've created the class, you want to hover over Class Administration and go to Enroll. And scroll down to step 2 where it says Copy and Paste. Now you're going to go back to your Excel spreadsheet. Just highlight the columns that have the last name, first name, student ID, and birth date. Right click, copy, go back to ALEKS, and inside of this text box you're going to right click and paste, and then choose the titles for each column. So we have last name, first name, student ID, and their birth date is going to be their password. Remember that ALEKS is going to create a special username for each student. Then you're going to click Next. If students are already in the system, you'll get an error message or a message saying that they already exist in the system, so you don't have to re-register them. If you do have students that are already showing up in the system, go back and deselect their name. So once you click on a student, so I have a student that's already in the system here, so I would select their name and then click delete selected and then select OK, and I'll remove it from the list. Once you do that and everything is okay, you would click confirm and you've added the students to that class, and you just repeat the process for each of your classes. If you have any questions, just email me and I'll help you the best I can. Thanks.